Ladies and gentlemen.
Landing checklist.
Cabin crew.
Advised.
Auto thrust.
Speed.
Auto brake.
Low.
ECAM memo.
Landing. No blue.
Landing checklist complete.
Hall Tower Emirates 777 is 3 miles east, 500 feet with Quebec to land.
2 wind 23, 8 at 16. Flight straight and runway 24. Emirates 777 follow the aircraft non-final. Wind 23, 8 at 16. Clear to land runway 24. Emirates 777 go round.
7355, US 59 Golf.
Emirates 777, you are not cleared to land. Clear the runway.
Yes, the Delta Echo is localized established now 17 miles.
Yeah, Delta Echo, roger, maintain 180 knots.
Emirates 777, you are not cleared to land.
Turn right, heading 1.
29er, 2 wind 23, 8 at 16.
Nice, 735. Bye-bye.
Emirates 777, did you hear my last transmission?
Scandinavia 1507, turn right, heading 190 degrees.
Heading 190 to 150.
Lima 59 Golf, and establish December glide.
We're established December glide path for that. December has to be US 59 Golf.
Emirates 777 ATC, services terminated. Good day.